Right, lesson number 6. Simplify without the use of a calculator. We're going to use special angles with compound angles, right? So, simplify without the use of a calculator. They want us to simplify cos 15. Right, so the only way to simplify without the use of a calculator means you have to write as special angles. So two special angles added or subtracted, that gives me 15. I can go 45 minus 30. Take note, could have also said 60 minus 45. But 45 minus 30 gives me 15. If I expand, that would become cos 45, cos 30, sin 45, sin 30. Right, cos 45, square root 2 over 2, cos 30, square root 3 over 2, sin 45, square root 2 over 2 times half. Right, I could have also just said 1 over square root 2 and 1 over square root 2, but most of the problems prior COVID and during COVID, we've just used this when we simplify. So square root 3 times square root 2 becomes 1 square root, 3 times 2 gives me 6. Right, 2 times 2 gives me 4. Square root 2 times 1 would give me square root 2. 2 times 2 gives me 4. Square root 6 plus square root 2 over 4. Denominators are the same, so I can add the numerators, right? So hope you follow. I'm going to do a second one, very basic. Right, simplify without a calculator. So again, without a calculator, special angles. Sin 105, so 105 is the same as saying 60 plus 45. Those are my two special angles. That gives me 105. Now if I expand using sine, I have sin 60 cos 45. Then I would have cos 60 cos 45. Sin 60 square root 3 over 2, cos 45 square root 2 over 2, cos 60 half sin 45 square root 2 over 2. Square root 2 times square root 3 gives me square root 6. 1 times square root 2, square root 2. There, 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 2, 4. Denominators are the same, so I can add the numerator. So that simply becomes square root 6 plus square root 2 over 4. Right, so this is a basic pattern, procedure. Make sure you get used to the procedure. Practice makes perfect. Alright, don't get caught out. It's a basic problem, but once learners see it, they don't know what to do because the angle given is not special angles. But remember, convert to special angles, expand using compound angles, know your special angles, those that you can't find on your calculator, and just simplify. I wish you nothing but the best.